Today is a sunny day. Today is a sunny day. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. It is very hot outside. It is very hot outside. I feel warm now. I feel warm now. It is cold in the morning. It is cold in the morning. I wear a jacket in winter. I wear a jacket in winter. The sky is clear. The sky is clear. There are clouds in the sky. There are clouds in the sky. It is raining now. It is raining now. I carry an umbrella. I carry an umbrella. I like rainy days. I like rainy days. Rain makes the air fresh. Rain makes the air fresh. It is windy today. It is windy today. The wind is strong. The wind is strong. The weather is changing. The weather is changing. I check the weather forecast. I check the weather forecast. Tomorrow will be sunny. Tomorrow will be sunny. Today feels pleasant. Today feels pleasant. I enjoy good weather. I enjoy good weather. Bad weather makes me tired. Bad weather makes me tired. It is morning now. It is morning now. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Morning air feels fresh. Morning air feels fresh. It is afternoon now. It is afternoon now. I eat lunch in the afternoon. I eat lunch in the afternoon. The day feels long. The day feels long. It is evening now. It is evening now. The sun is setting. The sun is setting. The sky looks beautiful. The sky looks beautiful. I enjoy evening walks. I enjoy evening walks. The weather is cool in the evening. The weather is cool in the evening. It is night now. It is night now. The moon is bright. The moon is bright. Stars shine at night. Stars shine at night. I sleep at night. I sleep at night. It is late now. It is late now. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. I go to bed early. I go to bed early. I wake up on time. I wake up on time. What time is it now? What time is it now? It is 7 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. I check the time often. I check the time often. Time moves fast. Time moves fast. I manage my time well. I manage my time well. I am busy today. I am busy today. I have free time now. I have free time now. I relax in my free time. I relax in my free time. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Today is a weekday. Today is a weekday. I work on weekdays. I work on weekdays. Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is a holiday. I rest on Sunday. I rest on Sunday. This week is busy. This week is busy. Next week will be better. Next week will be better. This month is short. This month is short. Last month was busy. Last month was busy. The year is moving fast. The year is moving fast. Time never stops. Time never stops. I value my time. I value my time. Time is important. Time is important. I do things on time. I do things on time. Being on time matters. Being on time matters. I hate being late. I hate being late. I arrive early. I arrive early. I wait patiently. I wait patiently. Waiting takes time. Waiting takes time. I use time wisely. I use time wisely. Good planning saves time. Good planning saves time. I plan my day. I plan my day. Planning helps me relax. Planning helps me relax. I finish work on time. I finish work on time. I take breaks on time. I take breaks on time. I enjoy sunny mornings. I enjoy sunny mornings. I like cool evenings. I like cool evenings. Weather affects my mood. Weather affects my mood. Good weather makes me happy. Good weather makes me happy. Rainy weather feels calm. Rainy weather feels calm. Cold weather feels quiet. Cold weather feels quiet. I dress for the weather. I dress for the weather. Weather changes daily. Weather changes daily. Time changes everything. Time changes everything. Every day is new. Every day is new. Today is special. Today is special. I enjoy the present moment. I enjoy the present moment. I learn something every day. I learn something every day. Time helps me grow. Time helps me grow. I stay patient with time. I stay patient with time. Patience saves time. Patience saves time. I feel calm today. I feel calm today. I feel relaxed now. I feel relaxed now. I enjoy quiet time. I enjoy quiet time. I slow down sometimes. I slow down sometimes. Life is about balance. Life is about balance. I respect time. I respect time. I respect nature. I respect nature. Weather and time matter. Weather and time matter. Thank you for practicing today. Thank you for practicing today. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode.